Assalamualaikum children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Again we are back with our video nursery English worksheet number 25. You can see here worksheet number 25 and this is our week 9. So in our week 9 we are starting our worksheet number 25. See picture reading. See here everyone, picture reading. See the letter on the screen, which letter it is? D. In our previous videos we have learned A, B, C and today we are learning letter D. D the dog. D the drum. D the doll. D the duck. D the donut. So what is the sound of D, children? Da. D, da. D the dog. D the drum. D the doll. D the duck. D the donut. So these are the pictures with the letter D. If you turn the worksheet, you'll have more pictures with the letter D. Here we are going to color them. Pictures with the letter D, color them. See the letter D. D the dog. D the donkey. D the dolphin. D the dress. D the door. D the duck. You can see the new pictures are also here. D the dog. D the donkey. D the dolphin. D the dress. D the door. D the duck. Now let's color them, children. We'll start the color in the dog. D the dog. So do the color. D the dog. D the dolphin. D the dress. D the donkey. D the door. D the duck. Many pictures will come with the letter D. So we are done with the color. Now see the next picture, dolphin. I will color blue. D the dolphin. Dolphin is a water animal. Dolphin is a water animal, children. D the dolphin. Now see the next picture. D the donkey. Color the donkey. D the donkey. Color it. D the donkey. After this, see the next picture. Duck. D the duck. Do the yellow color. D the duck. What does the duck says? Quack, quack. What does the duck says? Quack, quack. The duck says quack, quack. Now see the next picture. Dress. D the dress. Color it. You can do your favorite color also in the dress. Which is your favorite color? You can do that. D the dress. See the next one. What is left here? Door. D the door. You can see in our house there are many doors. D the door. D the door. Once again we will read all the pictures. Come on, repeat after me. D the dog. D the dolphin. D the donkey. D the dress. D the door. D the duck. See in your worksheet number 26 you have praise the capital letter D. Here we have to trace the capital letter D. Trace here also standing line, curve. Very easy. Standing line, curved. Even you can trace with crayon here. Only use here only, children. Use the crayon here. And you can trace with pencil also. See the dots joined it. Standing line, curve. D. Standing line, curve. D. Standing line, curve. D. D da dog. D da duck. Standing line, curve. Standing line, curve. The same you have to do the full page. After this, if you turn the page, once again you will have same. Same you have to do the tracing. Standing line, curve. D, capital D. Standing line, curve. Capital D. Standing line, curve. Capital D. The same you have to do, children. Full page. Standing line, curve. Capital D. Now see in the worksheet number 27. Circle the capital letter D. You can see the dolphin picture, children. In that you can see many letters are there. But we have to circle the letter D. D the dolphin. So here we are going to circle the letter D. Capital letter D. This is D. Now see more D's are there. Just find out. Is this a letter D? No, 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 no. Is this a letter D? Yes. Circle it. Is this a letter D? No, 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 no. Is this a letter D? No, no, no. Is this a letter D? Yes. Circle it. Is this a letter D? Yes. Circle it. Is this a letter D? No, no, no. Is this a letter D? Yes. Circle it. Is this a letter D, children? No, 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 no. Is this a letter D? Yes. Circle it. Are we done, children? No, one more letter D is there. Just tell me where it is. Is this a letter D? No, no, no. Is this a letter D? Yes. Circle it. So we are done with the worksheet number 27. If you turn the page, you have once again recapitulation from letter A to D. Till now we have learned the letters from A to D. So this is letter A. Trace this letter A. Trace the dots. One slanting line, two slanting line, sleeping line. A. One slanting line, two slanting line, sleeping line. A. Standing line, one curve, two curve. B. Standing line, one curve, two curve. B. Curve C. Curve C. Standing line, curve. D. Standing line, curve. D. The same you have to do full page. After this, if you are facing difficulty, even you can write in your notebook also for the practice. After completing your worksheets, submit to me. Thank you all.